Moving along from all the rafter commands, we still have one command to look at in the other things. This is items. We'll do that a bit later once we put in the underpurlins. And now we go to the underpurlins, collar ties, valleys and trimmers. So first of all, let's have a look at the underpurlins. So with the underpurlin, we've got an underpurlin distance from the plate and from the plate to the fascia. If this was set to say 1.8 and the distance from the plate to the fascia was 0.805, if I go next, I could pick on the fascias and it would put in the underpurlins at a set distance. I'm just going to right mouse click out of that, Control Z, just remove those. The other way of doing this is to put 0 in the underpurlin. So 0, next. Now I could pick on the fascia line and I could place the underpurlin wherever I wish. Now the only problem with this is that we don't know what's underneath the underpurlin, and generally you're positioning these so you can see the wall plates underneath. So I'm going to use the background from masked, so background from masked, wall plate, background, and now we can see the wall plates. And I can get an idea of where I want the underpurlin to go. I'm going to put it straight on top of this wall here. So underpurlin, 0 in the size, nearest. My underpurlin is straight on top of that wall. If this want to come across the end here, I could go E for endpoint, and put those in. I'll just come down the front here, so this one can go straight on top of this wall, and that is too long. So we've got an underpurlin that is 8.7 meters long. I'm just going to turn the wall plates off. Just go back to roof. So I've got my underpurlins, and you may have wanted to bring the beams back in on this as well, but I'm just going to turn the beams off. And now for the underpurlin. So this underpurlin, like I said, was too long. I might want to make it overlap just here. So I'm just going to get the same one, put it next to itself, Control. There's 2 there now. Trim to edge. There's one, the other, and trim on the sides there. Same as this one here, I might want to take it all the way through or just stop it level there. And there's no other underpurlins to go through there, maybe one across the back. If you've just got one across to go across here, set, click on the underpurlin, single line, endpoint, E for endpoint, V for vertical, and N for nearest, and pick on that, and there's that last underpurlin. So now this one, we can see that we're telling the roof carpenter that we want them spliced in between those 2 rafters.